Listen now, my lovely boys. Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Thank you.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Right, we're ready for another night out in Pattaya. It's been a little bit cooler today. I have a feeling it could rain later on. And that won't deter us from having a good time. Now then, we're in and out and checking it all about everywhere. And money is evaporating like the mist and the dew on a summer's afternoon on a rose petal. It is. Never mind. It's all worth it. It's all good fun. And you're on your holidays. So what can we do? Anyway, heading down now. So the cow picked the rab up. We've just been back for a quick shower because we've been out since 10 o'clock. I'm not quite sure the time now, but all we're going to do now is have a beer, a quick massage and call it a day because we've got a big day tomorrow. On down on the 6th. Second trip on the 6th. So yeah, I don't know, I keep looking at the wrong one when I've had a few beers, but it should be this one. No, this one here. My favourite comment so far on this video series is someone sent me a comment, "Get a grip, man, you're beginning to look like a tit." Who the calls anyone a tit? Somebody at school maybe, a 10-year-old or 11-year-old. A tit. So, American Cheap Charlie's, and this is my breakfast. It's the 129 baht one, cooked to perfection, absolutely delicious. It's an 89 baht, 129 baht, and then it goes up in 20-30 bahts, different sizes. The Rab has got, how much is your breakfast, Rabadabdab?
My breakfast was 119.
119.
I've got double eggs, sausages,
3 sausages,
mushrooms, usual stuff, but
and black pudding.
black pudding as well.
Yeah.
Oh, and fatty bread.
And fatty, oh, and fried bread, nice.
Fried bread. For years.
Hell's here. So here we are sat on Soi Chini,ชื่ออะไรครับ
13 ครับ
10 ฟุตที่ดังครับ
13 ครับ
13/1 slash
Yeah, but what do you say again?
13
Time is
3 ทับ slash ทับ
แล้วเราก็อยากให้ว่า
why you have put that
smile.
no
Why? Sip time na. Cup. Noon. So we're on that soy, whatever that lady said. Then I got sip time cup noon.
ซอยยามาโต้
Soy Yamato. Ah, Soy Yamato.
You must like it when you try it all day, when you're doing it with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like? Did you alright? No. I was going to buy you a drink. Is it warm?
Hot, damn hot. 40 degrees and we're still struggling, look.
We're doing all, we're cracking on.
I won't tell you where I've got my other one at.
Thank you. let's walk. Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Guinness. Oh, I'll be down here at night.
So the Rab, or also known as,
Rab-a-dab-dab.
he's got a pint of Guinness at the beer garden.
Look at that. Served with perfection.
Your first impressions?
I don't want to spoil the outlook of it really, to be fair. It's like, it's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah. It'll go down alright, leave some lines.
Yeah?
That's it.
I've had one pint of Guinness in my life. You have it quite a bit, don't you?
Yeah, we have it quite a bit.
So on here a Guinness, a pint. Is that a pint? It's 250 baht.
Yeah.
I've tried the Owen garden in Amsterdam. It had all bits of fruit floating about in it. I've just got my Leo and some water. Because it is absolutely scorching. Scorchio. We're being recorded, so what's what we say? Look.
Only one thing to say, the eyes of Owen have it.
Hey, you've got these fun, have you?
What from?
I'm from the film. You want to start, please?
Right, yeah.
Don't do it now, will you, Guinness?
Yeah.
So this is how we make a new opening. So put that there. Take a sip, so that'll do the whole thing. Bit of acting.
Please subscribe to the eyes of Owen out there. It's beneficial.
Good. Take two.
Please subscribe to the eyes of Owen. Cheers.
That's alright.
Got me free t-shirt. You won't get it free, you'll have to pay for it.
Why you want to make me?